For long, teachers have been missing a structured appraisal mechanism that can justify their hard work spent during and after classroom activities in shaping up the academic future and the overall upbringing of the child. A teacher is like a second parent for children, and it is important that their best practices don't remain unnoticed. Sev7n invites the teachers community to register and come on board and showcase their own separate profile and their daily activities to the world. Sev7n is an education network that brings together parents, students, schools, and teachers together on one platform. This is an opportunity to build a strong digital profile that further assists in getting discovered to the new schools for future lucrative job prospects. Every day, thousands of parents use Sev7n to write reviews on schools and teachers too. Use this opportunity to invite parents so that they can leave a professional recommendation for you, as this fosters a strong profile. Teachers can also analyze and independently review their working conditions at a school, as this will help other fellow teachers to gain insight into the new place of employment and if it is even worthy to apply. Using Sev7n's dashboard, teachers can write blogs on their interests, showcase daily classroom activities, share with parents about the progressive teaching methods adopted, and above all, negotiate an exciting remuneration as you deserve it. So what are you waiting for? Help other teachers and get noticed by registering at Sev7n. Log in to www.sev7n.in for more details or download the app.